Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Doug and Nevada on the Stryker SR-955. Doug, we got you ready to go, bud. Let's get right to it. Mr. Shotgun, we've got your erf2030 plus MOSFETs in the amp final section, as well as the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. 100 watt scale, set you at 2 watts all the way down. That is only if you decide to run an amplifier. You have full adjustability. 20 watts all the way up, which I believe is plenty enough. Show your average power swing. Hello. 66, 67 bird average. 250 watt slug in PEP. And we're about 118. Alright, Doug, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.